Orlando Pirates have decided not to extend their option on Sipho Mbule's contract. Sipho Mbule is a 28-year-old who has played for both Pirates and Sundowns. He comes, of course, from Bethlehem. He was born in 1998. To go on to be able to be successful in the SuperSport United Academy. The life outside of football for Sipho Mbule has been something else. Very talented. Wadu, the coach of Orlando Pirates, has even said this player, this man can become a Zinedine Zidane compared to Zidane. Sipho Mbule is one of the most naturally gifted midfielders in his generation. And looking at what has happened, the behavior outside the field, starting as early at SuperSport United, where at least it could be curbed, where at least he could be protected. Sadly, it didn't happen. It couldn't happen that he gets protected at a bigger club like Mamelodi Sundowns and of course then Orlando Pirates. It has been said that maybe Kaizer Chiefs should just give him a last shot. That maybe Kaizer Chiefs should give him a last shot for his life. Just maybe for him to understand that the opportunity that Sipho Mbule will get now, he must know that is the final opportunity. The opportunity that Sipho Mbule gets now, a Sipho Mbule must know that it's either he goes big or he goes home. If ever any of the teams, whether being it Siwelele FC, whether being it Kaizer Chiefs, if any of the teams decide to give Sipho Mbule a contract now, Sipho Mbule must be grateful to God and his ancestors, but he must know that this is the last opportunity. And he must know that when it is the last opportunity, him being unemployed at the age of 28, when he can still, long 6 years of making sure that he is working hard to get his life where he wants to. If and only if Sipho Mbule does not use the opportunity that he might be given, or the opportunity that he will be given by a club, either as Siwelele or Kaizer Chiefs or any other club in the PSL that is willing to give him his last shot. If he does not sit down with himself and say, this is my last chance, then it means Sipho Mbule will never grow. It means we must accept that it didn't end with Junior Kanye, it didn't end with Sipho Ninens, it didn't end with Jabu Pule Mahlangu now. It didn't end with OJ Mabizela. It didn't end with Lerato Chabangu. All you need is love. It means it's going to be continuous and continuous. It means it's not going to end. It means the curse of South African football that one of the most talented player in the football field always loses his way and never really becomes what the world would need. There were players that could have been as big as Benny McCarthy or more. The Junaid Hartleys of this world. But behavior. The Scarangobeses of this world. If Sipho Mbule does not look deep into his own self, if Sipho Mbule does not smell his own armpits, then this is the end for him. It's quite sad to see another brother pushing himself to be forgotten. That shouldn't be happening. Sipho Mbule, this is your last chance. If you get something, this is your last chance, my brother.